Stop fumbling in the dark. Whether it's your bookshelf, your closet, or under the kitchen cabinets, finding what you need shouldn't be a scavenger hunt. Smooth, informative tone. Meet the ultra-slim motion sensor light. It's sleek, it's smart, and it's about to change how you see your home. Open a door, and boom, instant clarity. Warm, lifestyle-focused tone. Adjust your vibe with 3 distinct color temperatures. From cool white for focus to a warm glow for that cozy evening feel. And the best part? No tools, no wires, no mess. Excited, fast-paced tone. Just peel, stick, and you're done. Use it in your drawers, as a reading light, or even as a safety guide under your bed. It senses your movement and lights the way automatically. Reassuring, practical